International General Insurance Holdings Limited is up 633.95% in this pre-market session of the 5th of April 2021. It closed the session of the 1st of April 2021 at $8.16. As you can see right now, it's up to $70. That is 633.95%. We can see a volume of 27,000. This is way above its average, or rather its 10-day average has also been around that figure, so it's above that regardless. It currently has a market cap of 395.3 million. So if you add an extra 60% to that, you probably get what is going on right now. So we are looking at something close to 600 and or rather 700 million, or not. So what am I talking about? We're talking about billions right now. Very sorry about that. Very sorry. You can see its short interest is saying it is 1.22%, but it hasn't taken in cognizance of what is going on right now. It says it's going to take about 14.7 days to cover all of those short interests. Its average volume is very low. Its average volume, it's not very high, and it has a shares outstanding of 48.43 million. So let's ignore all of that talk and see what's going on right now. Okay, we can see the changes. It has dropped. It has lost nearly 300% right now. Just right as we are looking at us talking about this, it just wiped off about 300% from what it was. It was at 600 and it was at roughly $70. It has just lost all of that, So fortunately the graphics has returned. Everything is burning hot on the bullishness. Look, I mean, all of its trend lines are all flicked up, based on this 1 minute model. Things are on fire on International General Insurance. It is so crazy, man. We don't have any news yet concerning IGIC, but you're looking at a live session. It's up 342.28%. Previously it was up 633.95%. You can see the MACD is just so far away from its signal line. It's crazy right now on IGIC. I mean, what can I say? It's coming down here. We can see there isn't any fresh news at the moment, but we will definitely update you. You can see it's saying its MACD is above MACD histogram is above 0. 14 period stochastic oscillator is overbought. But this is just a daily model. It doesn't really take cognizance of what's going on in this live session. So we're going to see whether we can get any readout concerning its trend analysis. But it's what I mean, why do we need to do all of that now? We are looking at something really by far much more current than what the readout is going to say. So it's crazy out here. International General Insurance up 342.28%. If you have any news concerning the stock, just put it in the comments below. It's really crazy out here. I mean, you don't get this often. Even 342% is mind-blowing, but who knows what's going on. We don't exactly know. We're definitely going to find out as the sessions progress, and it's unbelievable right now. So you can see it's live and going on. It's crazy. The momentum is currently up at roughly, what is it saying, 90.44. MACD is still up there, not budging at all. You can see it's so far away from its 10-day trend line, but if it keeps consolidating like this 10-day trend line will catch up and it will influence its MACD, and it will probably begin to deviate and probably merge with its signal line. But currently it is still very much far away. That 10-day trend line is currently pointing at $22.06. It has extended now to 25. So consolidation, even though it has slightly inched up again, but it's not exactly doing very much. So this will definitely give the 10-day trend line and indeed the 20-day trend line time to catch up. So currently it's currently at $25 right at the moment. At some point it was at 60. The stock itself was at $70. So I would have imagined what that might be, would have looked like. So international general insurance up 346.69% earlier in the extended hours that began on the 1st of April. It was up 633.95%. So yes, this is what's going on right now for IGIC currently. Sorry about the memory problems we're having on the screen. So this is what's going on. Okay, let's go down again and look at that average volume. You can see the 10-day average is 25,000, and we have about, it's saying it's about 27,000 so far that we've crossed. So, but we're also looking at short interest figures as at the 15th of March. It's saying we're looking at a number of shares. It's 238.41%. So definitely this stock has something, there's something going on. It's either a short squeeze that pushed it up that high, and definitely we are also seeing a short interest, an increase in short interest for sure, because we have seen an increase of 633%. Suddenly it went down to 346. Definitely short sellers would have just jumped in to bring it down. I mean, they would have cashed in on, I wouldn't say would have, yes, they may be, I can't say, but yeah, I mean, well, if they haven't, they would have cashed in. Yes, they would, I would say cash in, but their position would have increased by roughly 300%, so I mean, that's, I mean, going by the fact that we saw an increase of 633%. So this is what we are looking at right now on international general insurance, up 346.69%. It's crazy out here right now. So yes, it has just gained $28.29 in, I wouldn't say it's in one session or in a few minutes. It took some time from Thursday, the 1st of April. That was when all of that started. But there's a good chance short squeezes and all their like are definitely involved in this sort of movement we're seeing right now. So yes, we will continue to update you concerning international general insurance. There's a good chance there's a short battle going on right now. I think I'm really sensing it, but we're definitely going to update you. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching this video.